Good morning, good afternoon, maayong hapon mga angkol, mga auntie. I am Ate Shin, or call me Ate Shi for short. Another day, another vlog, and kasabay ko si Miss Jo. Okay, napaka-busy namin everyday. Kahapon galing kami nag-live sa Bangkok, and then today nag-decide kami ni Miss Jo na sa shop muna mag-arrange ng ibang mga shipment, and kasali na doon yung mga leather products. Yung isang business ko, yung original na business ko talaga dito sa Thailand, is yung personalized passport cover na business. Alam niyo yung passport cover na nilalagyan ng names and charms. I-attach ko dyan sa gilid ha, para may idea kayo kung ano yun. Hindi lang siya applicable sa passport covers, but also sa mga coin purse din, at iba pang mga items. So I think para dito yun siya nagkababa, Miss Jo, yung bus station, kasi sabi niya mag-motor na lang doon siya papasok. I-attach ko dito ano yung mga sample na mga gawa namin na mga personalized items. Pwede siya sa mga gustong mag-DIY or nagdi-DIY project. Mahilig sa buting-ting, pwede nyong gawing home-based business yon, at sa ano kayo mag-sale, sa social media platform kayo magbenta. Pwede nyong i-open nyo siya sa mga bazaar, kung mahilig naman kayo mag-bazaar, or pwede nyong gawing personal lang at gamitin na ninyo kung may gusto kayong pagbibigyan. Ngayon, magbabiyahe kami dahil may inimit akong VIP. May ka-date ako today. Ni-request ko talaga yung time niya kasi napakahirap niyang mahuli. Napakahirap niya talagang makatch yung kanyang time, at napaka-busy niya dahil may mga training siya, ganyan. So, sabi ko, nag-request ako na pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng konting panahon dahil andito na ako sa Thailand, kailan ba tayo magkikita? And gladly ay naka-fit in tayo sa kanyang schedule. Ibabahagi ko sa inyo later yung aming mga hanash, aming mga ganap. But for now, pupunta muna kami ni Miss Jo, sa aking matalik na kaibigan. Matagal ko na siya na friend dito sa Thailand. Nagtiteach pa lang ako dito sa Bangkok, ay magkasama na kami. Ang name ng aking pupuntahan ay si Miss Elaine or Elaine. And also, may ano galing tawag dun sa sa inaanak sa English? Inaanak? Inaanak sa English, kasi ako is godmother, 'di ba? Godchild. Oo, goddaughter. Ganon. Godchild. Tama ba? Godchild ba? I don't know kung tama. Sana tumama naman. Kasi baka nagbubububuhan na naman tayo dito. Okay. So yun, pupuntahan natin sila today kasi break na din nila. Semi-break pala. And nasa bahay sila ngayon. So sabi ko, punta kami dyan. And then itong kaibigan ko na ito, nagbe-bake siya. Ginagawa niyang sideline business. Tinitingnan ko din yung dinadaanan, baka kasi mawala tayo. Ginawa niya kasing online business, or hindi naman online din talaga, no? Pag part-time business dito, para makahabol din sa income nila, mag-ina, ay yung pagbibake ng mga Pinoy tinapay and cake na din. And napakagaling niya talaga mag-bake. Self-taught lang lahat ha. Nag-YouTube lang siya, pinag-aralan niya lang. And hanggang ngayon is ang dami niya ng school na siniserve dito sa Thailand. Supposed to be, nagplan kami na sana i-banding day namin ngayon. Kung madami siyang orders ay tutulungan namin siya. Pero napaka-busy daw niya lately, kaya hindi siya nakapag set ng orders. Hindi siya nag-post ng pa-order niya muna. Kaya sabi niya ay pwede naman kami mag-bake, yung kakainin or memeryendahin na lang namin. So guguluhin natin siya sa bahay niya ngayon. Siguro gumawa, mag-suggest nga kayo ng magandang content natin. Mahiluhin talaga ako guys sa biyahe. Kaya pag gala ng gala yung aking mga kapatid, hindi na ako makausap talaga. Kasi parang dinidrain ang katawan ko ng biyahe. Lalo na pag land travel. Kasi mahiluhin ako. Sobra yung parang kaka-start nyo lang nagbiyahe. Lalo na yung pahinto-hinto. Oh. biglang break, pahinto-hinto, tapos may naamoy ka na hindi maganda, sigarilyo at yung iba pa. At pag natingin ka pa sa screen, agoy, grabe na yung ano ng ulo ko, bago magano na oh. Tapos last time nung nagbiyahe kami, land travel kami ng Cebu, okay lang yung papunta Cebu, pero nung pauwi kami, dahil kami ay naanuhan ng barko, naubusan ng barko, hindi nakatulog ng maayos, so hindi na talaga ako makausap ba, kaya sa kapoy ko talaga, sobrang pagod, hindi na ako makausap. Yung nasa loob na kami ng sasakyan, tawa na lang sila ng tawa sa akin, dahil parang na daw akong lalagyan ng dextrose, ni mag lip tint, hindi ko na makuha-kuha. Ang worst ko kasama pag land travel talaga. Kaya namimiss nila ako pag nagda-land travel sila, tapos wala ako. Ang bukang bibigyan nila ay tini ka, liyaw ka. Liyaw say ha. Bukang bibig nila ay ako. Sabi nila ipagkasama natin si ate dito ay parang mukha na naman yung ididextrose. Yung sinakyan pala namin today ay Bolt. Ang Bolt ay mabilis lang tayo, no? Ang Bolt ay parang app na Grab ganyan sa atin. Pero mas cheaper siya na version dito sa Thailand. May Grab din naman pero namamahalan ako sa Grab. So andito na kami. Okay ka, tini na ka. Lumampas lang kami ng kaunti. O naka. So magbabayad ako. Lahat ng sasakyan dito ay may QR code. Isa-scan lang natin ito gamit ang ating online banking na Thai Bank. Okay, ang ganda ng nasakyan namin na sasakyan malinis. Lahat kasi ng sasakyan dito sa Thailand ay kailangan comfortable and hindi mabaho, malamig, ganyan. Kasi pwede ka mag-ibigay talaga sa kanila ng review. Uy, may nakita akong saging na naman. Pag may makita akong saging ba, naga-twinkle-twinkle ang aking mata. Kung naman ako na video dito, Miss Jo, puntahan ko yung saging na abot kamay ko lang. Saging. Unggoy. Tara, punta tayo dito sa bahay na aking kaibigan. Kasi mamaya pa naman yung meet up namin ng aking kadate. Excited ba kayo makita sino aking kadate? Ako excited na excited dahil miss na miss ko na siya.
Ganda naman ng damit mo.
Oh, thank you. Of course, new brand natin yan sa ating pasabay. That is Lia. Fits up to XL lang ata.
And the shoes.
Oh, House of Little Bunny. Shoop, shoop.
House of Little Bunny.
Ay, sorry. Cotton candy na ballerina.
Yes.
Bagay ba?
Yes.
And of course, House of Little Bunny bag. Kung gusto niyo na mag-order ng ganitong set, meron tayo. Available sa Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe. And ito pre-order natin sa Bangkok. May colors nito, no?
Yes,
3 colors, white, brown, and cream. Baka pa may hindi naman marinig ang boses ko dyan. Lagi kasing ganun.
iPhone.
May times na hindi marinig ang boses ko.
Ay.
Flex mo yung LV. Tara! May tao sa likod. Alam niyo, ang palatandaan ko sa bahay ng aking kaibigan ay ang malunggay. Pero tinrin niya ngayon kasi masyadong tago na daw yung kanyang bahay kaya pinatiman niya muna.
Nana daw ta. Nag-chat si ate.
Ayaw!
Ayaw, mamulabog me.
Aning gabi, isa
Ayaw. Yarong day po.
No?
Kasi gani.
Hindi siguro kayo basta may malunggay ya.
Ay. Ano lagi?
Mulay tao. Omega! Omega! Ako isa ka po.
Nag-chat mo isa. Ano daw mo?
Naanalagay sila kay siya. Bukay!
Hello!
Wala. Kaya nag-vlog kami sa unahan. Naanalagay ko. Nagtingal lahay ming duha. Asa ba kuta? Ay, hala. Abri ng inyo. Abri ng guys. Okay. Close na na.
Ay, klasa di ay.
Hi, Ninang.
Yung mga labot na kita.
Lumot siya sa lumot. Agmat! Pinang.
Tulad tete ah.
Okay, yes, yes, yes.
Wow, nice na niyo sa pot, Omega. Yes, ninang kiss.
Ay, ito na din.
Ganda-ganda naman ang suot ni Pongkwan. Glitter? High five. I miss you. Okay na ikaw. Wala na sakit ang baby. Wala na sakit ang baby.
Akan siya.
Ang bitong iyang ano. Okay, mga ransak tag saging. Gwapo lagi din mo saging ay dagko lagi.
Di ka sa, ano yung mami?
Okay, sa ilahan tanom yun ni. Hala guys, bisan asa ko mag-adto no, maka-twinkle-twinkle eyes kitang saging. Mabuhi ra jud ta.
Uban ako gidala sa school para sa mga kauban.
Mabuhay lang talaga tayo na saging lang ginakain.
Hindi na ako kaya guro.
Wait lang.
Bye. Dira lang ka, Jo. Ayan na, Joas.
Ay, sige.
Hi!
Ano si Kaya?
Sawadika! Hello!
Hi, Kahir. We miss you.
Well, pagani. Napa siya sakay.
399 pesos ang isa ka pouch. Pero kung gusto ka yung ato, salmon man to. Pero kung gusto ka og chicken skin, na ay gamay na pouch.
Ay, man. Yung 399. Daw sapatos naman ako mapalit, anak.
Magid siya, kaya ko man siya. May isda man. Chicken skin na lang, try na ako gusto kayo na po mag-ano ko na apoy part sa ano. Na apoy part sa box mo. Kaya next time ko yung sa this time na ako.
Hi! I'm so happy.
Oh,
Hello. Come inside. Thank you.
Let's get tita. Sige, din ay.
okay. Yeah, wala ko.
Hindi ka nag-bless sa akin? I miss you so much. Tita Jo.
Hi! Ay,
Nag-bless siya.
Oh my God, so big.
Oh, bigla ka ayon na.
You're still a baby. Relax tayo.
Oh, you remember Tita Elif? She used to live in your house when you were a baby.
Yeah, I used to take care of you when you were a baby. And when mommy moved to Bangkok,
Sit there.
she was so busy moving stuff that you had to sleep in our house.
Yes.
For a
She
few days.
also looked after you for how many days when mommy was busy looking house for you. You will call mommy muna, ha?
Okay.
Are you hungry?
I put mom on the way there too.
Okay. Are you hungry?
No, not really. I ate lunch already.
Isa pa.
You're from school?
Yeah.
May school pa kayo?
I know. I come with dad because he
Wala na,
told
bababay.
me he wants me to come and help him with something. So,
Okay.
But no more classes.
yeah, I know what it is.
Happy.
Hello?
Love, love.
Mom's skydiving.
Hello?
There, my love.
Hello?
Hello.
Mommy, I think mommy.
Mom was in the bank. So.
Nasa na sa bank, Jo? Wala pa sa nag-live selling?
3 p.m. pa siya mag-live selling.
Okay.
Yeah, mom was in the bank doing something. I thought it was leading to a ramen shop. Hello.
It's good that daddy stopped you there.
She met Mayumi first before you.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes. She's in Mayumi.
When did my
The first time Mayumi came.
Oh. Bro, wait, like when she came and then mom surprised me?
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Yeah, that time.
Hello.
Ay!
Ano ka naman siya? Because she's friendly.
Kanang kabalo siya niya makig.
Oo.
Oy!
Pero kabalo siya, may gano'n. Hindi niya na pwede dulaan, no? Nang kananging ana.
Oh.
Ano na masuko?
It's Dada.
Kay daddy
Oh,
yan.
it's for dad. Oh, your dad.
It's your dad's? Ha?
Dada?
Oh, kaya pala protective si Bihati.
Kasi magingnan mo siya ng Dada na bigay nilaptan.
Yay!
She's so cute. You don't have training? You know what? When I messaged Daddy that I want to get you, he said, okay, but no fast food,
Yeah, no
no sugar,
Because
and 2 hours Netflix only.
Yeah.
So what are you
No,
going to eat?
2 hours Netflix or maybe 2 hours okay.
You wanna see a movie? You wanna watch a movie in the cinema?
What is there any movie?
I don't know. We have to check.
I went with my friends.
No?
I went with my friends to a future park and we went
very close to your
to
school.
see a horror, a Thai horror movie.
Oh, so you went already in the cinema?
Yeah.
That allowed you to go?
Yeah, that.
How much for the student?
For us, it's cost like 300 baht.
Uy, mahal na kayo man.
Mahal kayo.
200 plus.
Di ba dati sa time na to, we have free movies? No.
Hindi free, but
100 baht? 150
no,
baht?
sa ano. Kasi
Oh.
half ang cut sa
On Wednesday?
Every Wednesday.
On Wednesday, no?
Every Wednesday.
On Wednesday, there's a cut on movies.
Still
Wednesday.
still?
Well, still on Wednesday, the future park opens up like really a bit late, so we want.
I
we
think
wanted
pag
to
major,
go.
major to siya.
Maybe.
Future
For
park
future
on
park,
weekends they open early, so we go early and no one's really there.
Well, you don't have class?
No. Saturday. It's already past our exams. I feel 3 exams. Thai, Mandarin, and
When you have you have exams.
Ano po, gusto na ko ni Dalong sa Harborland sa future.
O sa kanina sa Harborland?
Play
Ay,
area.
oo. Hindi ko sa ka-age ang ano.
Naka sila for toddlers man.
Oh,
Like for
not
small
for adults.
kids.
Ang totoo
Not
niya.
big
Ang totoo
kids.
niya
Big kids
eh.
mo.
Ang totoo niya.
happy and you know, clap your
Ilan daw niya after kaon?
happy and you know, clap your hands. And sleep
No, but
about-
your genes is going to be tall, di ba, Meg, no? Because your dad is
Yeah,
tall also.
That is like 5 foot.
Your feet is even bigger than mine now. I think the shoes that we bought doesn't fit you anymore.
Yeah, because I'm wearing now size 41.
Ah!
Hala.
That is size 41. Oh!
Why it looks small? Doesn't look very big.
I just bought shoes yesterday.
You just buy shoes?
Yeah.
What shoes is that? School shoes?
Football shoes.
Oh.
The school shoes are fun because mom bought me school shoes that day. If you're happy and you know,
Why did you buy another football shoes?
in the what is it called?
Is it on sale? No, you shave You shave this? Did you
Sometimes.
shave? Why? It's very long.
Yeah.
Mm.
I play football, so maybe first I go wash my hands.
How much your ano? Ay size 41 ka lang pala. Heel.
Or 75.
Mag-wash ka ng
Is
feet.
there a toilet?
Yes.
Or some
Pwede to siya magamit toilet ang
Yes,
mga.
upstairs.
upstairs? Bubble on my foot now.
What's bubble?
On the sole. There's like it's like poppable, but then it spreads out.
Ah, basig napaso siya, ma'am.
I think you're wearing the new shoes today.
No, yesterday I was playing in my tight football boots. So
Tight
Tight, yeah.
football, tight.
Should something tight with the
because it didn't my football I bought new football boots because my old ones don't fit me anymore. They made me.
Napaso siya.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
So how much was the football shoes?
Football shoes 2,000 something.
So it's branded Missy.
It was the Nike shoe, I think.
Why you didn't get the Messi?
Those shoes are way bigger than what I got.
Wait, tanong nga sa mong pants.
Whoa! What do we do?
Ah, hindi pa kita niya.
Just observe her what she's going to do.
Come. Yeah, come. It's not coming.
Uy!
Uy!
Wait, are you okay?
Are you okay?
She's okay.
Hilak eh, nung tug siya may ganyan hilak.
No?
Depende sa level sa sakit. Hindi ba hindi sakit.
Oh,
Uy, ang ako, ano kayang rice?
Done.
Hindi na kanabuyan.
Mahilig pa daan sila mag-pretend play.
Kapag idanin sa iha mag-school na Amerikano, kay ilang mga imagination ba?
Ako pa. Oh, ako na lang.
Ninang also. Put some kaninang
Ninang,
gali.
Ninang. Can I have some? I think he doesn't play with all this.
Go, Ninang also.
No, she doesn't like me. Oh, only with kids.
Sa table pa.
Kusgan kaayo.
Ibuliktad ta niya.
You think mom is going to surprise you? That mommy is with me? Kahil, you think mommy is with me? She wanted to come, but you already had an agreement.
กระต่ายตัวหนึ่งกระต่ายชอบอวดว่าฉันวิ่งเร็วที่สุดกระต่ายเต่าตัวหนึ่งเดินช้าเต่าบอกว่าเรามาแข่งกันไหมกระต่ายหัวเราะฮ่าฮ่าฮ่าฮ่าฮ่าจะชนะได้หรอการแข่งขันเริ่มขึ้นกระต่ายวิ่งเร็วเต่าเดินช้าช้ากระต่ายหยุดนอนพักเต่าเดินช้าชานพักก่อนกระต่ายรับเต่าเดิน
Tao is turtle?
Yeah เต่าเดินต่อไปไม่หยุด Yeah เต่าเดินต่อไปไม่หยุดเต่าเดินรวยเต่าเดินรุมเส้นชัยก่อนกระต่ายถึงขึ้นรีบวิ่งแต่ช้าไปแล้วเต่าชนะเย้ Yeah, it's a quick and short